Hey everyone, it's DJ Ben, aka Yellow Pig Bear. Welcome back to another episode of Banzai Japan. Today we are diving into one of Okinawa's most fun, hands-on and chill spots, Okinawa World. It's got crafts, caves, culture and snakes. That's right, you heard me correctly. It's got actual, real, live snakes here. Let's slither into the world of Okinawa World. Okinawa World is a cultural theme park in Nanjo City that brings together the island's most iconic experiences, from the ancient Gyokusendo Cave to a recreated Ryukyuan village and even a snake museum. It's part museum, part theme park, and part spiritual field trip. So today I've got to apologize to all our viewers. In episode 12 of Banzai Japan, which was our first Banzai Japan live episode, I was supposed to reveal the answer to episode 11's Banzai Japan quiz and announce the winner for that quiz. Unfortunately, I completely forgot about it. And so today I'm going to reveal the answer and announce our Banzai Japan quiz winner for episode 11. Now, the question for episode 11's Banzai Japan quiz was, what is the name of the school that's inside Murasaki Mura that teaches you to make chinsuko? And the answer to that question is Yomitan Nature School. And the winner for episode 11's Banzai Japan quiz is a username jslee7348. Thank you, jslee7348, for participating in episode 11's Banzai Japan quiz. I've already shipped the prize to you. I've already contacted you. I just forgot to announce you as the winner in episode 12. I apologize for that. And I really hope that you enjoy the prize. The Gyokusendo Cave is one of the longest limestone caves in Japan. It's dark, humid, and absolutely stunning. The stalactites look like something straight out of an adventure movie. When you emerge from Gyokusendo, you get to see this lush, green and thriving orchard. Hey everyone, welcome back to our weekly Banzai Japan quiz. I've got some news for you guys. I will no longer be doing Banzai Japan quiz every episode. Instead, we will be doing Banzai Japan quiz once every 2 episodes. So, what are we going to do during the weeks when there's no Banzai Japan quiz? Well, stay tuned for episode 14 to find out. Before I reveal the question for today's Banzai Japan quiz, I've got some good news to announce to all of you. In previous episodes, I was only able to ship prizes to people living in Singapore or Japan. However, from this point onwards, I will be able to ship prizes to anyone living in any part of the world. So if you participate in any of the weekly Banzai Japan episodes and you actually win, you will be able to win the prize regardless of where you live. Well, you've got to have an address so I can actually send it to you. And the question for today's Banzai Japan quiz is, what is the name of the cave inside Okinawa World? Remember, to win the prize, you've got to leave the correct answer in the comment section below, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. What is the prize for this week's Banzai Japan quiz? Well, I've got 3. So first of all, you get this leather keychain that was handcrafted by me. I made this myself, okay? And the next 2 are Pokemon booster packs, Japanese booster packs. They are the new black and white booster packs. So the first person to get the answer correct gets all 3 prizes.
At the Kingdom Village of Okinawa World, you can try traditional crafts like indigo dyeing, paper making, leather working, and weaving. Habu Park. This one's for the brave. Learn about Okinawa's native snakes, especially the Habu, and their role in traditional medicine. Spoiler alert, there's snake liquor.
Hey everyone, so before we end off today's episode of Banzai Japan, I would like to do a mini unboxing with you. So if you recall, in episode 5, I visited Tsuboya Yachimun Street, where I participated in a pottery workshop and made a plate. It has arrived. In fact, it arrived last month. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time nor the energy to unbox this alone. So I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to unbox this together with you. So let's get unboxing together. Jang jang! This is the finished piece. This is the one that I made at Yachimun Street, and I'm giving this to my mother. And this is my way of saying thank you to my mum for supporting my dream of coming to Japan to live here and work here. We've got to unbox one more thing. If you recall, in episode 11, I went to Murasaki Mura. There, I participated in the glass blowing experience, where I had the opportunity to make my own glass cup. It has also arrived, in fact, it also arrived last month, the day after I finished filming at Murasaki Mura. Unfortunately, I was too busy, didn't have the energy to unbox this. So today, I would like to unbox this together with you guys. So this is the final piece. This is what I made at Murasaki Mura.
At Okinawa World, you walk out with more than souvenirs. You walk out with memories. It's the kind of place where history feels alive and tourists and locals share in the spirit of Okinawa together.
That's all I've got for you guys here today on Banzai Japan. If you've enjoyed today's episode of Banzai Japan, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode.